Happy April, everyone! Right now we're going to Toy Tokyo to meet the voice actor who plays Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z and also a character from Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood. Right now Mark is on his new used Brompton. He loves it. He gets a lot of exercise. These days he hasn't really been touching the EUC, but he decided to keep it just in case of, I guess, bad weather days, if it's too cold, if he just wants to do a quick trip to pick something up. Now we take our rides nice and easy, which isn't too bad since I go slow anyway. Now I just go a little bit slower. And my wheel keeps on beeping on me. I don't know why.
You should ask if anyone knows why it's like...
It keeps on beeping. I think it keeps on disconnecting and reconnecting to the app.
Yeah, I think so too.
It's a little annoying though.
You wanna like record the shittiest road?
This one?
Yeah, it's like
The worst road. Also discovered pickleball at the gym. That car definitely ran a red light. Ow, ow, ow. Oh my god, I can feel every single bump.
Maybe.
Pickleball?
It's pickleball. Wanna watch for a second?
Sure. Speaking of pickleball, they're playing pickleball. It's like a combination of badminton, tennis, and ping pong.
Is this easy to learn?
Yeah, super easy.
You guys take lessons at first, or you just like figure it out? Oh wow, that's cool.
Okay, back to this horrible, horrible road, otherwise known as Midtown 2nd Avenue. I'm not even ashamed that I'm this much slower than everyone else. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Holy. Catch up to Mark. Okay. We made it. Oh my gosh. There's a really, really long line. And we thought we'd miss it.
You're not gonna miss it.
Super long line. Super, super long line. We made it. Stop here.
So sorry to tell you.
No problem.
I just don't want you waiting for no reason and then it's, you know.
June's crushed.
I know, I'm so sorry, brother.
It's cool, man.
Shoot.
You guys enjoy.
So they said that he'd be the last one?
Yeah, they're the last.
They're the last one?
So the guy was telling me that they were gonna be the last ones. They had a wristband, and that they were to let everyone know that came after them that he's gonna leave at a certain time. And so this is like the amount of people like calculated to leave at that time.
I see.
So
Dang, well we made it all the way down here.
it. Well, we can enjoy the area. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
Yeah.
let's go.
And we have mobility. You can go anywhere.
Ding ding. Okay, change of plans. Way too crowded, so we're gonna go to Chinatown and do some little snacks. Just explore and then head home because we have dinner plans with our friend.
want to go to Mei Lai Wah, or do you want to go to there's that roasted pork duck, like somewhere around here. I can't remember the restaurant's name, but it's like.
Isn't that a bit too heavy though?
I guess so. You split it. I guess you don't have to.
I want Mei Lai Wah.
Like that's your next thing, maybe, yeah?
This?
Oh man. How do you like it?
Easy, no exercise
Easy?
required.
Do you feel safe on it?
Yeah, I don't go too fast.
Is it the Osmo Mini?
This one? Yeah, the DJI, yeah, the Pocket.
Yeah. This thing's pretty cool.
Yeah.
They look good too.
Yeah, they are. It's like that's neat.
Holy. Stuck. Chinatown's crazy, everyone. Get in here. Well, you can't. I don't know if I can fit in that. Just gonna pick this up.
Nope. You're kind of like there, love.
Huh? You can go ahead. That car was trying to parallel, couldn't fit. Did you get the pineapple one?
Yeah, I did.
Woohoo! Mei Lai Wah, sweet crustiness on the top.
Yep. And this is the original roasted pork one from Mei Lai Wah. If you don't know, now you know. Super good.
So good. Next destination, East River Park. Weather's pretty good, 50s, low 50s, high 40s. Easy riding. The East River. So peaceful.
It's really nice.
That's really nice.
I've never been to this side.
Yeah, we've never been to this park. It's this whole project to redo it though. But it's very nice as it is, to be honest. Ouch. JJ. Okay. Okay. I've ridden a bike like 5 times in my life. 6 times, I think. Should I get a Brompton? I think I need to get a Brompton now. What do you think? Okay, you can stop it.
I think it's funny that you look way more comfortable riding a wheel than a bicycle. Like way more comfortable night and day.
Thank you. I don't think that's a compliment though. Squirrels everywhere. Squirrels everywhere.
He's like, Dad, can we go have a Nerf war?
And you're like, absolutely.
Yeah, I just, he stole my gun.
So good.
That's funny. Thanks
There
a
you go,
lot.
man. No
Appreciate
problem.
it.